Dinner doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. These slow cooker creamy white beans with pancetta and greens are not only delicious, they're soul satisfying. They are true comfort food, and they're so uncomplicated. Start by cooking some pancetta in your slow cooker or in a skillet on the stovetop. While the pancetta is cooking, that's a good time to chop your onion, carrot, celery, and mince some garlic. When the pancetta has rendered most of its fat, remove it and set it aside. Cook these vegetables in the bacon fat for about 5 minutes until they start to get tender. Then add the beans to the cooker along with enough water to cover the beans by 1 inch if you soaked them or 2 inches if you didn't soak them. That's about 6 cups. Set your cooker and go about your business. When the beans are tender in about 3 to 4 hours on high, stir in the Parmesan cheese and give the beans a really good stir to activate the starches and make those beans creamy. Add your greens, you can use spinach or kale, and then put your slow cooker back on that saute setting for just about 10 minutes. Season your beans with salt and pepper and spoon them into bowls. Don't forget that delicious pancetta to go back on top and lots of black pepper. A little bread to soak up that delicious bean liquor will be needed too. The beans are creamy. The pancetta gives you that little burst of salt. These are hearty and delicious, soul satisfying. Eat your beans.